middle of it. Alright, there we go. Sorry about that. Hold on, let me restart this. Because it is, it's being weak all of a sudden. Like the camera quality just went like from decent to like super grainy. So we're gonna see if we can fix that real quick. Just by resetting the app. Cancel out of these other ones. Alright. There we go. See how she looks. Alright, it's still a little grainy, but I'd say it's better than what it was for sure. Alright. Let's get to it. Let's open up. I'm gonna put this over here. I'm glad I kept that knife around, huh? Man, I'm so used to opening One Piece now that I forgot that they added all these boxes and shit for Yu-Gi-Oh! Whoops. Honestly, this is kind of ideal for me because they usually do 4 packs anyways, like a day till the box is gone, and the fact that they're all just put into one box makes it super easy. It's already pre-dispensed for me. We got a Cyber Dragon here. Hold on, let me get a better angle. I don't like this angle. Let me see if I can brighten up the camera, the light. Huh, interesting. It seems so dark to me for some reason. I don't know why that is. Alright, there we go. That seems a little better. Alright. A Blue Eyes, we got Red Eyes Darkness Dragon or some shit. I can't remember that one. That one I always forget. We got Dark Magician Girl and Cyber Dragon. Alright. Let's see what we get off. First pack here. Oh, come on. I think I already have. I have at least 3 or 4 ghost rares from this set already that I opened up. I think on. I'm pretty sure I opened up on stream. I can't remember which ones they are though. I got Dark Magician or something. I either got Blue Eyes or Dark Magician, and I've been waiting on one of the other ones. I'll have to double check. It's been a while. Advanced Ritual Art, Vision Hero Increase, Malefic Cyber and Dragon. Not bad. Ghost Trick Lantern. I gotta remember to like actually check them because I think last time I didn't and I found one because I was looking at my camera instead of the actual cards. I guess I'm trying to make sure that's a good picture. I always like sight. I'm pretty sure the Malefic Dragon isn't worth anything, but I still like how it looks. Alright, here we go. Next pack. Dark Magician Girl. Ghost Rick Sorceress. Let me see here. Oh, So Cute Box. That is a weird name. So Cute Boss. That is exactly what I thought it was. Okay. Interesting. Quintet Magician. If I'm not mistaken, that's worth a little bit. Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. It's been a while since I've looked these up, so don't quote me. Inzektor Sword. Zecta Caliber. Rose Spectre of Dun. This is a older card. Well, not this specifically, but it's based off an older card. Interesting. Alright, nothing too crazy yet. I do like the Quintet Magician, not gonna lie. I have a couple of those already, but they're still pretty cool looking. Alright. Next back, this guy. I can't see chat right now. Actually, you know what I could do? Let me pull up my stream real quick. Do. Alright, there we go. So I don't miss anything. Let's keep going here. Ooh, Math Mech Edition. Wait. Yeah, Math Mech Edition. So weird. Tenny Spirit Ashuna. Mardell Grenadier Boss of Light. Vampire Sucker. Tenny Spirit Vishuda? I think that's how you say that. These are all kind of like bent just a little bit. I don't like it. We got the Blue Eyes pack for the last one here. They're not like bent, they're just like, well, I mean, they are bent, but like, here, I'll show you. You can probably see. They're all just like curved a little bit. That's not from me like squeezing them, that's just how they are. I guess turn it that way a little bit, you can see it better. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh shit. Laray, the god of archery. Vision Hero Minimum Ray. Borland Dragon. The Agent of Entropy, Uranus. Oh, that's just mad work. Motor Shell. Alright, nothing too crazy. Yeah, that was the first box down, so stick that over there for now. This next box going here. Gotta. Sorry if you guys can barely hear me. I tend to talk kind of low, so if you guys can't hear me or it's hard and I'm muffled, just fucking say something in the chat and I'll start speaking up. Sometimes I notice it myself, but I just naturally don't talk loud. I have to force myself to, so nothing's wrong with the audio. I'm just dumb, that's all. I don't know why I kept sitting there trying to cut that shit. I really just gotta cut it and tear. Cut it and tear. Sorry about that. Alright. Oh, I missed one. Alright, let's see what we got here. So, oh no, just that one was backwards. We got 2 Dark Magician Girls, and we got these right here. Alright. Get started. Pop the top on some of these bad boys right here, you know what I'm saying? Gotta pop that top. I'm gonna turn down my... I have a feeling it's just too loud now for some reason. I don't know why, I always know. As soon as I turn it up, it likes to go through the roof. Hates me. Alright. Boxia Brightness of the Yang Zing. That's a pretty sick looking card. Whitebeard the Plunder Patrol Helm. Fossil Machine Skull Convoy. Chimeratech Fortress Dragon. Tenyi Spirit Adahara. Alright. No ghost rares yet. Got another Dark Magician Grill here. Alright. We got Proxy Horse. Oh, man, yeah, okay. The Agent of Creation Venus. Interesting. Mystical Sand. This card right here, well, this card's not super important, but like back when I was a kid, I used to play Forbidden Memories on the PlayStation 1, and you'd always have to like combine them together, and this is the one that I'd always try to get because if you could see, it's 2100 attack, 1700 defense, and for that game, that's like top tier. There's only a few, like there are some that go up to like 4,000, but like in order to get them, it's pretty insane. You'd have to be like the computer to. Either way, this is like one of the cards that I used to use all the time to help me win duels in that insanely hard game. If you've never played a hard Yu-Gi-Oh game before, go play Forbidden Memories. It's super fun, but if you don't win every single duel, you have to start over from the very beginning. And I love it so much just for that. I don't know, the concept infuriates me, but it also makes me so happy at the same time. Sorry, I didn't mean to just go on a rant there, but Doom King, Balderach, Ghostrick, Jingxi. Super fun time to play. Probably one of my favorite cards ever is Mystical Sand, just for that reason. Alright, we got whatever the hell. I still don't know what the fuck this card is. I know what it is, I just can't ever think of it. Alright, we got DD Savant Copernicus. I don't know how that's supposed to be said. Heavenly Dragon Circle. Kriston. How. Kriston Quilibrax? Oh my god, what is with that name? Mystical Shine Ball. We got Infernity Sage. Alright. Hold up. I'm going to try to tweak. I'm going to try to tweak these settings real quick. Give me 1 second. Alright, let's see how that looks real quick. Okay, I think that looks a little better. We're gonna go with that. Sorry about that. Just trying to get this decent. Let's keep pushing here. We'll get this going. What do we got going on here? Despia, Theater of the Branded. We got number 38, Hope Harbinger Dragon Titanic Galaxy. That is a fucking mouthful. Ryza the Mega Monarch. Red Eye Zombie Necro Dragon, okay. Plunder Patrol Shipyard. These cards are always super cool looking, I'm not gonna lie. I always like the holographic look, but it also doesn't make you feel like you're getting anything when you just got holographics as well. When every card is a holographic. They could do the, just regular cards and then do I guess. I don't know. Just feel like they're wasting a whole bunch of money and time on making all these holographics when. Yeah, they're just still just as worthless, as the normal ones. Like, I guess they're just like, I don't know, taking a piece of shit and painting it gold, you know what I'm saying? You know what I am saying, my brother? Alright, what do we got going here? We got 2 Blue Eyes and 2 Cyber Dragon. These kind of feel a little bit heavier than, one of those felt a little bit heavier than the other ones. I don't know why. It probably isn't anything special. It's probably just more bullshit. Alright, let's see what we got. Box of Friends. Altergeist, Failover. Time Thief, Temper Wall. Despot 001. Princess Cologne. Interesting name. Princess Cologne. Man, these two cards don't want to come up. Come on. Come on. I don't want to bend you. I was going to have to use the good old one card to pick up another card technique there. Alright, let's see what we got going on with this next pack. I haven't really pulled anything too crazy so far. Nothing that's made me like jump out of my seat. We're like the third box in. Yeah, this is the third box in. Alright, we got Code Generator. Primatech. Come on. You guys are not making this easy, you Yu-Gi-Oh! Like Bandai Namco, you guys are not making this easy for us. Primatech Laplacion. I don't know if that's how you say that. Ghost Trick Mary. Inzektor Sword Zecalibur. Sorry about that. Rose Spectre of Dun. Got something stuck in my throat here. Come on. I'm struggling with picking these cards up all of a sudden. I had no problem up until this box. I wonder if that means that the luck is changing. Probably don't mean nothing, but really hoping it does. Really hoping I would get one of the Ghost Rares in either the Blue Eyes or the Dark Magician. I think it's the Dark Magician that I don't have. I can't remember. My book's over there. I should go check after this to see what I have and don't have. But Zector Hornet, the Agent Mystery of Earth. Alright, nothing too crazy again. I'll pull these back up because I feel like I went through these pretty fast. We'll go kind of through them fast. Despair Comedy. Okay, Vampire Grace. Alright, let's see. Which box is gonna be the one? I really just gotta stop yapping, to be honest, but yeah. The Executor of the Underworld Pluto. Void Cauldron. Outburst Dragon. Okay. Interesting. The Agent of Miracles Jupiter. Cypher Twin Raptor. Interesting. Alright, 2 boxes left. Alright. Alright. Konami. Alright. Alright. This time we got 2 Blue Eyes and 2 of those Archfiend ones. Of course, we're gonna go with the Blue Eyes as always. Blue Eyes first, baby. Cynet Conflict. Domain of the True Monarchs. Kriston Halquifibrax. Halquifibrax? I don't know. Doom King Balderrock. Oh, here we go. Jormungand. Oh, wait, hold up. I haven't heard this name in a while. It's in Skyrim too. Jormung. Oh my god. I'm just gonna say Jormunger. Jormunger, Grenadier, Boss of Eternity. I don't know why I can't say that. I know it's like a Nordish or Swedish word. Shit. Taki mushrooms, dog. Shiitake mushrooms. No ghost rares yet. Really hoping one's up in this box. Let's see what we got going on here. Crimson Knight, Vampire Braum. That is a sick ass looking card. That goes hard right there. Hardened to paint. We got Glow Up Bloom. Got Necro World Banshee. Tenyi Spirit Adahara. Coco Torium, the heavy heavy metal avian. It's a funny name. Double check these. It's hard to tell. Some of these look like ghost rares, even though they're not. Like some of them have different. When they hit the light differently, you're just like, wait a minute. Something ain't right here. But it just ends up being another normal card. DD Swirl Slime. Void Cauldron. Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. Vampire Duke. The Agent of Wisdom Mercury. Take a drink here real quick. Alright, let's see what we got. Alien Ammonite. Heavenly Dragon Circle. Nah, because look at that though. That is sick. But the way the light is hitting that, I don't know. Heavenly Dragon Circle. Mardell, Grenadier Boss of Light. Radiant. Track Black. Sick ass looking card. Shadow Vampire. It's also pretty sick looking, not gonna lie. Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Last box. Oops. Alright. What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. I got options. Hey. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I don't know why I said A after that. Alright. Last 4 packs. What do we got here for packs? We got Dark Magician Girl, Cyber Dragon, Dark Magician Girl, and that one. Alright, let's get to it here. First pack of the last box. First pack of the last box, hit 'em with a rat trap. Let 'em know we got the backpack. Make it go clap, clap if they ever try to snatch, snatch with the hat tag. Alright, sorry. Whitebeard, the Plunder Patrol Helm. Puppet Queen. Odd Eyes Rebellion, Dragon Overlord. Okay. Insane. Hold on. Let's try this angle and see if this works a little better for us. There we go. Odd Eyes Rebellion, Dragon Overlord. Brute Enforcer. Manju of the 10,000 Hands. This is definitely a reprint. Maybe I'm wrong and it's just that's a different card I'm thinking of, but there's a card exactly like that one that's old school. Alright, what do we got going on for this pack? I don't know if we gotten this one before today, at least. Tenyi Spirit Nahata. The Agent of Judgment Saturn. Master Flare Hyperion. That's a sick looking card. Mystical Shine Ball. Chimeratech Fortress Dragon. Alright. Just burning through these, I can see. Not getting too much. Alright. Well, 2 packs left, ladies and gentlemen. 2 packs left. Dark Magician Girl and the other pack. Plunder Patrol. Oh, wait, sorry. Plunder Patrol Ship Moirk? Merrick. Merrick? I don't know how you say that. Reptilian Spawn. Oh, and the camera turned a little bit. Hold up. Bothers me when it's a little bit uneven. Reptilian Spawn. Chaos Greffer. Vampire Domination. Hela Grenadier Boss of Doom. Oof. Nothing too crazy. Alright, this is it. It all comes down to this last pack right here. We're gonna move this a little bit. All comes down to you. Hopefully we get a Ghost Ray in this pack right here. If not, then this box was a flop. As far as I'm aware, I didn't see a single Ghost Rare in this box. We got the Great Mammoth of Goldfawn. Alien Ammonite. Number 97, Draglubuyan. I don't know how you say that. That was a sick ass looking card, damn. You got Anmaraki. And the last card from this box is Yang Zing Prana. Still a cool ass looking card. Alright, well, that's it for this box. Didn't get anything too crazy today, which is unfortunate, but it's alright, we'll try again next time. I got a One Piece Awakening of the New Era box. I'm going to open either... I don't know if I'm going to open it tomorrow or next week. I'm not sure yet, but you know how it be. So I'm going to switch over to zombies. I appreciate everybody who's stopping in for the Yu-Gi-Oh stuff. Yeah, we're going to switch over to zombies now. Just give me just a minute to get everything ready. And we'll get it going here. Anybody who's going to be seeing this on YouTube, you have a good night, morning, whatever it is for you, and thank you for stopping in. Like and subscribe, please.